Here we are in section 1-4 exercises, numbers 10 through 15 with the solutions. It says to add these together. So here we're adding just integers, normal numbers. Let's, the decimals, all of these appear to be lined up great. So let's just do it. 1 plus 7 is 8. 5 plus 9 is 14. Carry the 1. 1 plus 4 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. And 3 plus 0 is 3. 38,648. Good. Next one. These decimals are not lined up. Let's put them over here. 143.29 plus 0.923. Notice there's a space out here that acts like a 0. If you want to put a 0 in there, that's perfectly fine. 0 plus 3 is 3. 9 plus 2 is 11. That's 1 goes there and carry the 10 of them. 1 plus 2 is 3, plus 9 is 12. Carry the 1. 1 plus 3 is 4. No carrying, 4. And 1 plus 0 is 1. And the decimal goes straight down, 144.213. Okay, number 12. These are fractions. Let's line these guys up. 7 and 13 23rds plus 15 and 15 23rds. Now, this is a little bit tougher with these fractions. 13 23rds plus 15 23rds, that gives us 28 23rds. Now, remember, when we're carrying with this, it's part of this over here, this 23 over 23. Remember, that is the number 1. And there are 5 of them left over. So 5 23rds is left here. And so this goes around. This is the number 1. And so that is where we carry the 1 right there. 1 plus 7 is 8, plus 5 is 13. Carry the 1. And 1 plus 1 is 2. So 23 and 5 23rds. See how that guy split off? And it really is a very large magical 1 there. So the 23 out of 23, that's the carrying the 1. And it actually happened here as well. This 11 that was here, that was, we took 10 of them, 10 of these guys, and put them as carrying a 1. This was 23 of those guys to carry the 1. All right, let's do another one like that. Number 13. 5 and 11 75ths plus 19 and 73 75ths. Okay, 11 plus 73 is 84 75ths. Okay, so we're going to split off 75 of those 75ths. That's going to make a 1, and that's going to come up here as a 1 right there. All right, but let's see how many are left over here when we have this. There are 84 minus 75, that's 9 of them. So there are 9 that are left, 9 75ths left over here. So now let's keep adding. 1 plus 5 plus 9 is 15. Carry the 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 25 and 9 75ths. So yeah, once we get past the fractions, it's not so bad. But that guy right there, boom. That's usually difficult to see for people. All right, let's do one more like that. 89 and 10 11ths plus 273 and 7 11ths. Okay, 10 plus 7, that's 17 11ths. How much splits off? 11 of those 11ths. That is the number 1. And so that's going to be right up here as carrying a 1. But let's see how much are left. After we take that 11 11ths out, that means there are 6 11ths right here. Okay, so that's how many are left, and that's going to carry the 1 up there. 1 plus 9 is 10, plus 3 is 13. Carry the 1. 1 plus 8 is 9, plus 7 is 16. Carry the 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 363 and 6 11ths. Okay, now moving on to number 15. Oh, this is a great big long decimal, but the decimals aren't lined up. Let's write it out. 5834906.2 plus 54.3227. And we could put zeros right here if we wanted. That we could do that. So that will help you see it better. 0 plus 7 is 7. 0 plus 2 is 2. 0 plus 2 is 2. 2 plus 3 is 5. Decimal comes straight down. 6 plus 4 is 10. Carry the 1. 1 plus 0 plus 5 is 6. No carrying. 9, 4, 3, 8, 5. So let's put the commas where they go. 5,834,960.5227 is the final answer. Wow, the only ones that actually overlapped were in these 3 sections right there. That was really the only addition we had to do. Great.